Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
What was to be the happiest day for a young couple turned out to be a nightmare for the bride. The groom, Mohammed Zakaria Babangida, lost his life whilst on his way to the marriage ceremony ground on Sunday, March 13. The incident happened right here at Fumsa on the Accra-Akoma Highway. ASP Francis Miraku is the Jisu Divisional MTTD commander.
The accident involved a Ford Escape, which was coming from driving Bonfa direction to Kumasi. When they got to Fumesa, the driver was overspeeding. So he lost control of the steering wheel, and then in the process, hit a covert, a nearby covert, and landed into a ditch. There were 5 in the vehicle. They all got injured, but the driver was seriously injured, and they were all rushed to Tech Hospital, but the driver died shortly on arrival. 3 of them are currently at Tech Hospital, and 1 has been referred to Komfo-Anokye Hospital.
The Ajesu police has commenced investigation into the matter. Meanwhile, the deceased has been buried according to Islamic rites. This latest accident adds to the alarming rate of carnages on our road.
This morning I watched TV, and the number of accidents we recorded within the week was alarming. My advice to the drivers is I think they have to be very cautious when driving. They must go by the road traffic regulation.
Ibrahim Abubakar, TV3 News, Fumsa, Ashanti region.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.